Today I'm going to be showing you how to use Glogster. One of the first things you know, there are two sites. There's the regular Glogster and the glogster.edu site. And we'll be using the .edu site that you can see. And I'm just simply going to log in here. And there are some free things that I'm just going to leave to activate later. And as you can see here, I have two different glogs that I've already created. And I'm going to lead you and show you how some of the functions were used to create some of these blogs. I'll start with this one that I made for you. And as I say that, oh, there we go. So here's the glog, and you can see it's already finished. And it has various things. It has a video. It has some audio music, pictures, regular text, and a nice little title. And I'm going to walk you through and show you how to do all those. And I'm simply going to go back here. And we're going to go to create a new glog. And here's our main screen as it comes up. First thing I'm going to do is give my glog a name. And this will be our test glog. And some of the things you need to do is just get rid of some things that appear on the screen. So I'm just going to take this, and you can see the little controls here, and I'm just going to delete that and get rid of it. And the first thing I want to do is put in some text. And I think we'll start by working with a title. And I get to choose what I'm going to do. And I don't want to just go with something very plain like this. So I'm going to go with something a little more interesting. And you can see there are galleries of what you can do. And I'm simply going to scroll through some of these. And as you can see, we have some different samples here. And I'm going to just quickly go back and pick one that's pink. Similar to the one that I had there. So here we go. And I'm going to use that and simply close this out. Now once it's on, I can take and arrange and move this and size it anywhere I want, and I'm allowed to take, move, and turn and adjust things the way I want. So I think I'm going to give my title a little bit of a look to it off to the side, and I'm going to edit this. So we're going to call this Glogster for teachers. Oh, I don't like the way that looks. Maybe if I give it, oh, the little space in there, that'll look a little bit better. And I kind of like that, so I'm just going to say okay. But you know, before I do, I'm looking here. Wow, wouldn't it be nice to link that? So maybe we're going to actually link this, and we're going to get the address for Glogster, and that's probably going to be easier than let's see. Here we go. I happen to have Glogster up here. Here's the address. I'm going to copy it and just go back to my page. Sorry for that running around, but there's the address, and I'm going to apply it, and I'm going to click OK. So now I have a hyperlink in there. Now things aren't going to hyperlink in here in the edit mode, so I can go into preview mode, and some things will hyperlink in preview mode like that just did right there. And so I'm going to go back to editing now, and let's do something else. Let's insert a video onto here. As you can see, I already got a video, and what I did was I went to YouTube. I can either upload a video, I can link it from somewhere, or grab a video. I simply chose, and some things like you'll see grab, you need a license to do it. So I'm not going to choose that one. I'm going to instead go to a link, and I did. I went to YouTube. And let me just get to that YouTube page. And on the YouTube page, I found a nice tutorial, went to share, and I took and I copied that, and I came back to my Glogster page, and I pulled it into Glogster. Now what I'm going to do, it's already pulled in. I don't need to do it again. I'm going to add a player to that. And let's see, something that's going to look nice with my video. You see they're all thematic. Oh, how about a TV set? I'll take and I'll use that TV set. And now I can have my video inserted as I'm slowly building my glog. Now things can start to overlap each other, and you can do overlapping and stuff by simply bringing things forward or pushing them to the back. So I'm going to bring that forward and just have like a little overlap as I slowly rearrange things. Okay, let's insert an image now. So I have various images here. One is of the Glogster page, which you saw in the original. So I'm going to simply click on that because I've already imported it, and the same options are available. I had to get it from a link. You do your little Google search and you find the link, upload it or grab it. I did that. I'm going to grab a nice frame to put around there, make it look pretty, hopefully. Let me see. I could have went with the heart. That would have been pretty. Let's go with something. I think this is kind of cute, and we'll use that. And again, we could take, and this is way too big for our purposes, so we're going to just move this picture to the side. And like the last one, I think I'm going to take this and I am going to maybe turn it a little bit, move this up, and kind of, I think, go here and take this and bring it forward and have them overlaying each other a little bit. And as you see, we slowly build up our poster. Let's add a sound, and again you can upload. I uploaded a song for the summer, so I have it here already. I simply took it from my files. Again, all the options are available. I'm going to add the player again, and for this player I'm looking for something really interesting. This is going to go with my theme, so I'm going to use that. And now I have my sound player. And finally, I am going to simply add some regular text. And I'm going to put this in as simple text. I don't want to have to, I want people just to be reading this. I'll just scroll for you here a little bit. And we're going to do a little edit. And there we go. So you see I now have a finished glog. It's very similar to the one I created before. I was able to preview it. Now I'm going to save and publish this one. So here's our test glog. It's going to give me an address that I can put as a link somewhere. I'm going to categorize this as for school, and I am finished with it, and I'm going to save and publish that. And let's take a view and look at our glog. And here it is. So here's an interactive glog now. You notice it gets circled. That means it's linked, and it's going to bring us hopefully to where we want to go, which it's not this second, and I'm not going to worry about that. I think because I'm logged into the site already that was happening. We have our picture of what it looks like. We have a video we can play. And you can't hear it right now. I can hear it in my headphones. I'm going to pause that. And I'm going to do one other thing. I am going to play the sound on here. And again, I can hear that. You'll be able to too in a second as I unplug my headphones.